which will go away. But remember, it's a race. You're not sitting there having a nice coffee on a Sunday afternoon. Let each faster. 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 You do realise there's something before you really did as well, eh? Alright, contestants, you have 1 minute to get through as much as you can. 60 seconds. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Victoria. And the rest of you, let's go. This is the point. Come on, Alan, get in and make some more these chicks. We've got 40 seconds to go. Let's get that duck started. Get as much of the ice cream as you can. Right now, there are some proud parents out there. Proud of their children right on stage. 30 seconds, kids, 30 seconds. Oh, Brazil's last place. What's the other second if you're on it? Don't do it. You're stronger than that. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chicken's bucket. Back to the hey, I already ate those. Get me out there! Alright, let's come down to Griffin and Riley here. I'm going to be honest. Bring out that other prize back. This is a draw. I have to give them both a prize. It's an absolute draw. Let's have some noise. You get the Dragon Ball Z box back. Oh! Round of applause for the contestants. You can take your ice box and you have it back with you. Hey, you didn't win, which means you didn't win. So you got to say thank you. Alright, I want you to put your hand up if you're able to 12 and 18.